everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how a cough assists in me from the emergency. So before I talk about that, a cough assist machine is basically a device that helps you bring up phlegm when you're sick. I know it sounds gross, but that's basically what it is. So I went to the specialist office to try this cough assist machine, and it was really, it was, not exactly small, it was quite big actually. And I had my mum, my dad, chest physio, and one of the nurses and another person in the room with me. And the room is not big; it is really, really small. So, anyways, I went in, I tried it, and I kind of got a bit of a headache after trying it. I thought, okay, yeah, I've tried it. Okay, kind of had enough. And I got a really bad headache, and then my chest started getting really, really tight. So they got me to lie down on this bed that was there, and I was trying to speak, but I was like, and like trying to get a word in every breath, and it was really difficult to speak. And I could like kind of form a sentence in my head, but when it came to speaking it, I couldn't. Like my language was all slurred and jumbled and everything. So about maybe 4 minutes into this episode, having no oxygen to my brain whatsoever, a medical response team came in. There were about 13 doctors, and I kid you not, the room is tiny, so there's the people that were already in there, plus these 13 doctors, and it was it was just all over the place. It was so small. So what they did was they put a IV in my arm, and they said they were giving me some cold water in the syringe, but I don't think it was, because about a minute after I started to regain full, breathing normally and headache gone and everything. So I'm not sure if it was what they gave me, what they said it was, or if it was something to stop me breathing. Anyways, they took me down to emergency, and they did a chest x-ray, and they took my bloods and blood sugar, and I kid you not, this is the most amount of times I've had blood taken out of me. Like, I had blood taken out of me 4 times. I had my blood sugar, so first it was 3.2, 2.3, then 3.2, then 4.5, so after I had intervals and I ate something in between. My blood, that they take from the arm, like a blood test, that was about 4 times. The third time they checked it, something went wrong, they didn't get enough blood or something like that. And then I had so many EKGs. I usually have one like yearly, but this time I think I had about like 4 EKGs, and it was so many. I was like, oh, and I was exhausted because I just had this whole ordeal, and I think I was there from like 3 o'clock in the afternoon right through till maybe 11, 12 o'clock in the 3 o'clock in the afternoon right through till maybe 9 o'clock at night. Got home about 12, and then then I was home. But they didn't exactly really find what actually happened to me. They just said that my blood sugar was really low, my blood pressure plummeted really low, so that they all could be contributing factors. So those sort of things. But it was awful to have, but it wasn't too bad. I am so sorry about the noise if you can hear. We have construction going across the road from us, but I'm really sorry if you can hear that. But I just want to kind of update you on that, how it ended me up in the ED, and the ED doctors were really great and stuff, but just having that sort of thing where you're not able to breathe and having no oxygen to your brain, and everything being jumbled, and you can hear yourself with everything being jumbled when you speak. It's not a nice feeling. It's pretty nervous. Makes pretty nervous and freaked out. But I just thought I'll give you a bit of an update, pick up the camera and just give you a bit of an update and talk, because I feel like I haven't done a video for a while. So I'll post this video, and then next week I'll be talking about how my IVIG treatment landed me in the ED, so a little bit similar. But hope you like this video, and hit me up on Instagram and thanks for watching. Bye.